When considering ways to enhance the value of your Kendall property, upgrading your doors might not be the first thing that comes to mind. However, the doors of your home play a crucial role in its overall appeal, functionality, and market value. From improving aesthetics to boosting energy efficiency and security, professional door installation is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. Here's how installing new doors can increase the value of your Kendall property and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Enhanced curb appeal. The front door is often the first thing people notice about your home. A worn-out, outdated, or unattractive door can diminish your property's curb appeal, making it less appealing to buyers. The value of a fresh look. Replacing your front door with a modern, high-quality option immediately upgrades your home's exterior. Bold colors, sleek finishes, and stylish hardware can create a stunning first impression, inviting buyers to take a closer look. Popular options: fiberglass, steel, or solid wood doors offer timeless appeal and durability, while modern designs with glass panels or decorative elements add a touch of sophistication. Improved energy efficiency. In Kendall's warm climate, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. Older doors, especially those made with outdated materials or poor insulation, can lead to energy loss, driving up cooling costs and making the home less desirable. How new doors help. Modern doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like insulated cores, low-E glass, and weather stripping reduce heat transfer and maintain indoor temperatures, lowering energy bills. Buyers recognize the long-term savings and comfort provided by energy-efficient upgrades. Added value. Homes with energy-efficient doors are more appealing to eco-conscious buyers and may even qualify for energy efficiency incentives or rebates, adding another layer of financial benefit. Boosted security features. Safety is a top concern for potential buyers, and your home's doors are a key factor in its overall security. Weak, outdated doors with basic locks don't inspire confidence. How new doors improve security. Upgraded doors often come with reinforced frames, impact-resistant materials, and advanced locking systems, making them significantly harder to breach. For Kendall homes, hurricane-rated doors offer additional protection against extreme weather, a valuable feature in South Florida's storm-prone region. Increased buyer appeal. A secure home with modern, robust doors gives buyers peace of mind and makes your property stand out in a competitive market. Increased durability and low-maintenance doors made from subpar materials or those that have aged poorly can warp, crack, or become difficult to operate. This not only detracts from your home's functionality but also signals to buyers that further maintenance and repairs might be needed. How quality doors make a difference. Modern doors are constructed from durable materials like fiberglass, steel, or high-quality wood, designed to withstand Kendall's humid climate and occasional storms. Many require minimal maintenance, retaining their appearance and functionality for years. Why it matters. Buyers are drawn to properties with upgrades that reduce future maintenance costs and efforts, making your home a more attractive option. Added natural light doors with glass panels or side lights can transform dark, uninviting spaces into bright, welcoming areas. Natural light enhances the home's overall atmosphere and makes it feel more spacious. Why buyers love it. Natural light is a highly sought-after feature in today's housing market. Installing a door with glass elements, such as a modern front door or a sliding patio door, can increase your property's appeal and perceived value. Compliance with local building code. In Kendall, homes must meet specific building codes, particularly when it comes to storm and hurricane resistance. Non-compliant doors may deter buyers or lead to costly upgrades after purchase. How new doors help. Professionally installed, hurricane-rated doors ensure your property meets or exceeds local regulations. This compliance not only protects your home but also reassures buyers that they're investing in a property that's ready for South Florida's unique challenges. Higher return on investment. Replacing your doors is one of the most cost-effective home improvement projects you can undertake. According to industry reports, replacing an entry door can yield a return on investment, ROI, of up to 75% or more, depending on the material and design. Why it's worth it. Door installation improves both the functional and aesthetic aspects of your home, which are key factors in determining market value. The immediate ROI is complemented by the increased appeal to potential buyers. Customization to match market trends. In Kendall, homes are known for their diverse architectural styles, from Mediterranean-inspired villas to contemporary designs. A mismatched or outdated door can detract from the overall aesthetic. The role of customization. New doors offer endless customization options, allowing you to choose materials, finishes, and designs that align with your home's style. This tailored approach ensures your property appeals to a broader range of buyers. Professional installation for long-term benefits. Even the best door won't perform as intended without proper installation. DIY or poorly done installations can lead to gaps, air leaks, or misaligned frames, reducing the door's functionality and longevity. Why professionals matter. Hiring experts ensures a seamless fit, proper sealing, and optimal performance. Professional installation also gives buyers confidence that the upgrade has been done correctly, further enhancing your property's value. Final thought. Investing in new doors for your Kendall home is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a strategic move that enhances security, energy efficiency, and overall appeal. In today's competitive housing market, these features can make the difference between a quick sale at top dollar and a prolonged listing. By choosing high-quality materials, modern designs, and professional installation, you're not just improving your home, you're increasing its value and marketability. For Kendall homeowners, door installation is a smart investment with lasting benefits.